Hello, welcome back. So let's now show you how to create some users, some next round cats, and to use the logic which we wrote in the previous video to transform next round cats to current round cats and to be able to continue with the logic. So here I created three next round cats with the user. So let me show you with Postman how to create. So first we have to create a user. So you can see I create some dummy user. Okay, so maybe here I have to start the application, and just for the sake for now, let's comment this add job. Okay, so let me register one user. Okay, let me log it in. Okay. Okay, so we will copy this token. Okay, let me upload some image. Okay. Here, by the way, we don't need bearer token because we didn't protect the route, but in future we will protect it. I will show you how. So I uploaded the cat. So let me go to post cat. Here definitely we will need the token, and I will need the photo ID. And here let me just show you in the body. We have name, birth date, microchip, color, breed, and photo ID. So here I will change it to this one. Okay, let me save and try to post. Okay, so we posted a cat, and here I will click one more time. You can see you already uploaded a cat for the next round. So here I suggest you to create few users and add few cats, for example 3, 4, 5, just to be able to proceed with the logic. Okay, so thank you. This is for now. For no, actually no, let me just execute in the logic and make some changes. Okay, so let me just show you something. Okay, here in the Firestore you have to see all the next round cats. I have 4 cats for the next round. Let me return to the application. Let me start it, and I will trigger this logic on 10 seconds. Let me wait to trigger the logic again. Let's wait 10 seconds. Okay, job started, job done. Let me stop it and let me refresh again the Firestore, and as you can see we have only current round cats. Okay. Okay. So now I can see one mistake, unfortunately. So we had to provide for the cat models, and here about the next round cat models I had to write likes, which is integer, dislikes, which is again integer, and vote, which is again integer. Okay, so let me now delete that collection again, and for example let me again create this cat. Okay, okay, let me create the cat. Okay, maybe not here, again a mistake, not here, but here for the current round. And here I will provide default value. which is 0. Okay. Again, let me try to post this get. Okay, I posted it. And let me switch back to main and execute this API scheduler. Okay. Yeah, I just want to mention that I just quote and record the videos and just upload them. I don't want to be for now some professional YouTuber or something like this. I just want to show some interesting logics. Okay, so let me again return here. We need to have one current round get. Okay, and we have likes, dislikes, and votes which are equal to 0. Okay, so this is for now. I just create 3 or 4 next round gets. Be sure that you added here in the models for the current round get base these attributes and execute the logic. And finally, when you execute the logic, just change this cron interval trigger to cron trigger and date of week Monday, hour 0 and minute 30. Okay, thank you for the attention.